Hey, this is chapter 8.1, Model Inverse Variation. So, an equation that has inverse variation, or is classified as inversely varying, takes the form of y equals a over x, in which a is our constant of variation and is not zero. For example, we could have y equals 2 over x. This would vary inversely. Now, the other type of variation we have is direct variation. Direct variation is, as it sounds, the opposite of inverse variation and has the form of y equals, oh, is it a different color? Y equals ax. So y equals 2x versus y equals 2 over x, and you can see the difference here. So when saying this, we say y varies inversely with x based on this equation. So the graphs of each of these, first we're going to talk about inverse variation, are as they are in equation form, they are opposites. So inverse, the graph of this, so we have our axes, and the graph of an inverse variation, or an inversely varying equation, looks like this. It moves from left to right, from top to bottom. Now, a direct variation equation moves in the opposite direction. So, also from left to right, or right to left, doesn't really matter, but goes from small to large quantities. And these make sense when you think about as your values are increasing on the x-axis, they're also increasing on the y-axis. This is a direct relationship. Now for increasing on the x-axis of our inverse variation, we're decreasing in our y-axis.